بسم الله والصلاة والسلام على رسول الله صلى الله عليه وسلم. اللهم لا علم لنا إلا ما علمتنا إنك أنت العليم الحكيم. Today we will complete part 2 entering time. We will talk about day, hour and minutes. The day like Saturday, Sunday, Monday, etc. till the end of the week. The week has 7 days. If you remember, the week has 7 days. Okay. So you have to know that the day has 24 hours. Okay, if you see the clock, if the big hand going to 12 two times, then 1 day is left. Okay, so the day has 24 hours and the hour is 60 minutes. The hour is 60 minutes, and the minute is the dash on the clock. Okay, if you have clock like this, you can see you have here 5 minutes. Okay, this period of time, a little period is called minute. Okay, and the minute is 60 seconds. Okay, the second is too little time, it's too small. Okay, so you have here an hour. 1 hour is 60 minutes. Question number 1: how many hours are there in 2 days? Since 1 day is 24, then to know how many hours in 2 days, you have to multiply 2 by 24. That's in the first time, but you have to keep it. Okay? Automatically, you have to say 2 days, 48, 3 days, 72, 4 days, 96, and so on, etc. Okay? So 2 multiplied 24 is 48. 2 by 4 is 8. 2 by 2 is 4. So it's 48 hours. And I will write beside it HR. HR stands for hours, okay? Second one, how many minutes are there in 10 hours? Then since 1 hour is 60, so 10 multiply 60 bring the answer. So 10 multiply 60, I will put the 2 zeros, then 1 by 6 is 6, so you have 600. 600 what? Minutes. And MIN stands for minutes. Third one, how many minutes are there in half an hour? Half an hour. Okay, since the hour is 60, so half the 60 is 30. And when we reading the time or telling the time on analog watch or digital watch, I say on half, the half is 30 minutes. Okay, so it is 30. How many hours are there in 10 days? Since the day is 24 hours, so 10 days is 10 multiply 24 hours. Okay, will be 240. Okay, so you have 24 hours. How many minutes are there in 4 hours? How many minutes are there in quarter of an hour? This and this, you have to do them by yourself and tell me your answer. Self by yourself. Okay, number 7. Number 7, complete 3 hours equal how many minutes? It's too easy. 3 multiply. How many minutes in hour? 60, bravo. So 3 by 60. 3 by 6 is 18 and put 0 beside it, so 180. Second one, a day and 5 hours equals how many hours? Here you know it is 5 hours, but a day, I don't know how many hours. The day has 24, bravo. So 24 plus 5 is 29 hours. 3 days equals how many hours? Do it by yourself. Third hour, how many minutes? Since the hour is 60 minutes, has 60 minutes, so third hour is 60 divided by 3, and you have to keep it. It's so easy. 60 divided 3 will be 20. Okay, so keep that. Keep that well. Third hour is 20 minutes. Arrange the following periods of time ascendingly. Okay, here you have 3 hours, 100 minutes, half, an hour and a half, an hour and a half. Okay, since the smallest unit is minutes, because I have hour and minute, so the minute is smaller than hour, so I can convert all of them to the smallest period. Okay, so this hour and a half will be the hour is 60, and we said the half is how many? It's 30. Bravo. So will be 90. Okay, it is 90 minutes. And the 3 hours is how many minutes? 3 multiply 60. Okay, so will be 180. 180 what? Minutes. So the first one you will complete it back. يعني in ascending order, the smallest one will be what? 90 minutes, which is this one, an hour and a half. Second one is 100 minutes, and the bigger one is 3 hours. Okay. Number 2, 2 days, 30 hours, day and 2 hours. Day and 2 hours, they are in one place, any day with 2 hours. Okay, so 2 days here, 30 hours, so convert all of them to what? To the hours. 2 days, 2 multiply 24, and we said you will say it automatically بقى 48. Okay, so 48, and here 30, here day and 2 hours. The day is 24 and 2 hours, so 24 plus 2 is 26. Okay, and you can complete it. Here, day, hour, and hour. So the day is 24 hours. It's too easy. Here, 75 minutes, 1 hour, and 55 minutes. So here, the hour is 60 minutes. Now you know how I'm thinking. Now you have to think about the smallest unit or smallest period and complete the uh, question by yourself. I help you now. Okay. Page 73. That is the calendar. You have January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, and December. That is the calendar you have. So I have to write them here, the month of the year, or write them. The 1 year has how many months? If you count them, you know that it is 12. Okay. The days of the week, you can write it Saturday, Sunday. Okay, by yourself. A week has, we say it, 7 days. The ordinal numbers corresponding the month are, what is the next month after February, and its number, its order. The third month, the fourth, the fifth, like that. Okay, so you have to complete it. March is the third. Okay, like that. March, and beside it, third. Okay, April, fourth, etc. till the last one, which is December the 12th. The months that have 30 days are what? Look at the table. Look at the table, and here you have 30, and here you have 30, and think about them and search on the internet or ask your parents about it and tell me your answer. Okay, what is the month that has 30 days and 31 days, and tell me the answer by yourself. Okay, February from this year has how many days? February from this year has how many days here? Look at it. Look at this. It is 28, 29, I think. I can't read it. It is 29. Okay. The number of days from this year, since you know how many months have 30 days, so 30 multiply the number you will know it, plus 31 multiply the number you will know it, okay, plus the 29 days of February and add them to know the number of the year, which is 365, and you are already know how many days in the year. What is the day of seventh from this year? What is the day? So look at the calendar and answer all of them. What is the data of the first Thursday in December from this year? Okay, you can answer all of them from the table you have here. In page, you will do this by yourself, or we will answer it on Zoom. Okay. Here, how to representing data. Okay. Report on the traffic, number of ships and containers ships sailing from the Mediterranean Sea to the Red Sea. Found the records of the Suez Canal was as follow. Authority was as follow. Saturday 30 and Sunday 32, Monday, that is the data you have. Okay, number of ships passes through, or imagine that is the number of ships passes through the canal. Okay, and you will put them inside the table you have here. So in Saturday you have 30, Sunday 32, Monday you have 45, Tuesday 55, Wednesday 37, Thursday 38, Friday is 52. So 55 is the greatest, and on Tuesday, and the smallest is 30 ships on Saturday. Okay, look at this table and answer this. Which day had the greatest number of traffic from the Mediterranean Sea to the Red Sea during this week? How many? The greatest one is how many? The greatest is 55. Okay, he asked about which day? On Tuesday. So you have to write what Tuesday. What is the number of ships? 55. Which day had the smallest? The smallest one is 30. On which day? On Saturday. So Saturday. And here, number of ships is 30. And what is the difference between the greatest and the smallest number and the container ships that traveled from the both seas you have here? during that week. Okay, so the difference between the greatest and the smallest is 55, that is the greatest, minus 30, that is the smallest, will be 25. Okay, so what is the difference? We said 20 what? 25. Okay, here, what are the cities that lie on the Suez Canal? Uh, Look at this, okay, this map, and tell me the answer, okay? For oral discussion, tell a historical story about this city, okay? You can tell me about it on Zoom if we talk about it, okay? And that's page 78. Page 79, okay? We will complete it on another video, okay? So thank you for watching and goodbye.